Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to install Chrome operating system on any old laptop. I just want to donate my old laptop to some student, but for that matter, there was no operating system on it, so I decided to put this one on it, which is Chrome operating system. So let's have a quick look at some of the prerequisite. You just need an old laptop with minimum 4 gigs of RAM. You need a USB pen drive and a working machine with Windows 10 or above, where you're going to create one image in that pen drive, which you will be using to install on that machine. So first thing is you need to install Chromebook Recovery Utility Tool. This is more of an extension in Chrome. You open up a Chrome, you search for it, it'll come up, and then you just need to follow the steps on the screen. Just click on Add Extension, it will get added. And that's pretty much it. Now you need to insert that USB pen drive and run that Chromebook Recovery Utility extension. Now this will create an image on top of that USB pen drive. Just insert that pen drive. It is going to format it if it is not formatted already. Mine was already formatted. You need to select the right model number here as well, which is very important. But in this case, it is only going to be Google Chrome OS Flex and then Chrome OS Flex in these two boxes. I'm just going to pause here and let you have a look at it. Google Chrome OS Flex and Google and the Chrome OS X. Chrome OS Flex. So just make sure these two options are selected properly, and then you select the right USB drive and hit next, continue. And now this process is going to take a while. I'm just going to run this in fast forward. If you're liking the video, please hit subscribe, like, or share. It really helps. Now this process will take a while, and I am running it in fast speed, so we can cover up pretty much everything in 5-6 minutes. Once it's all done, a few moments later, then it is going to show you a message of success, which is good, looking quite promising. Now I just need to click on done, eject my pen drive, and then put it into that laptop. And I'm going to restart that laptop. And I'm going to hit the key that will allow me to set the boot sequence. In every laptop it's different. I'm using HP, I think it was F1 or F2 over here. In Dell it's different, Lenovo it's different. Just Google it up, you'll figure it out which one you need to hit to enter the boot sequence. Once you enter the boot sequence, then you set the boot sequence to USB pen drive. It'll give you the option, just select that one, and then you just need to hit OK. It will restart the machine, and we'll use that USB pen drive as the primary booting storage, and then it will load the Chrome OS Flex. Now this is how the screen would look. We're gonna begin the installation. There you go. Welcome to Chrome OS Flex. Fast, secure, effortless. You're gonna get this screen. Of course, the process will remain the same, but the builds for the operating system will keep on changing, so you will have different UI going forward. But for now, this is the UI. I'm setting up this machine just for myself, and I'm not going to try it. I know how it is. This is my second machine I'm building, so I'm just going to click the installation and then we'll just begin. Yeah, this is going to give you this message that it is going to format the hard drive. So if you have any prior data on this laptop, make sure you have backed it up, okay? Because it is going to erase it. So once the installation is complete, yeah, it is going to show you this message. Once it's all done, then you can just take that pen drive off the machine and it will just restart it. And once rebooted, it is going to look pretty nice, pretty fancy. Those who have been using Android mobile phones, the interface is going to be sort of familiar to them. So it will boot up as in Chrome OS Flex. This is how it's going to look like. There you go. Welcome to Chrome OS Flex. Just click on Get Started. That's it. I don't want to have the voice thing, so I'm more than happy to read it and follow the instruction on the screen. I'm just going to connect to the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to set the machine as me, not as a child. So when I created one for my son, I had to set it up as a child so I can monitor what's happening. But this is not for my son. This is going to go out as a donation, so I have set up as me. Sign into your Chromebook. There you go. Just need to enter the username and password and it'll be all set. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to try browsing some website. I'm going to browse my own. Let's see if it works. Bingo. Works like a charm. Please hit like, subscribe to our channel. It really is very encouraging, and we will keep on bringing more videos for you going forward. I hope this video was helpful. Now in this video we'll learn how to install Chrome OS on any old laptop. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe and hit the like button as well. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Bye.